Like doves in the wind, pussy like doves in the wind. My whole world. Oh, yeah, my whole world. It's funny how things never change. Past, present, future, all the same stuff. And I know that I'm still learning things. How to live, how to love.
And I know you won't trip, cause you're falling from the stars. And we already aligned, so you know I'm gonna give the whole world.
You know I do loving you, so I'll give my whole world to you.
And you don't have to be afraid. I'm in love and you're to blame. My love for you will never change up. Before and after all the phase. Let's talk about it, baby, don't doubt. Might be gone for a while, but I think about your smile. When I come home, it's you and me, physically and mentally. That's mine. Baby, I won't ever leave as long as you gon' ride. And you know I won't dip, cause you're falling from the stars. And we already aligned, so you know I'm gonna give my whole world. You know I do love loving you, so I give my whole world to you.
Cause I'm hoping love will never change, but I'm cautious cause I've come from unloved. So take it easy if you think we're gonna trust. Don't think that you're obliged to recognize my fears before you even knew me. I take it back, don't take it easy on me, cause loving you's a different thing. My heart's not used to being so in sync, just used to using all these beats to be me.
And I know you won't trip, cause you're falling from the stars. And we already aligned, so you know I'm gonna give the whole world.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Brianna Nicole and I want to thank you guys for watching. So today I am going to be reviewing this perfect bob for the summer. So this is from the Amazon vendor Kbeth. This wig is $50 and it's cheap. It's a 12-inch, it's a closure wig, and yeah, so let's get right into this review. So in the clip before, you did see me unbox the wig and cut the lace off and, you know, customize the wig or whatever. But I did not pluck the wig and I did not bleach the knots. So the wig looks pretty natural for me to do nothing. I didn't even like mess with the part. This is just basically how I did. All I did was put some curls in, and I like curls, so that's the only reason why I put curls in this bob, because it was cute straight, but I like curls, so yeah. But this is the box though. It says Kbeth. It is 12-inch, and then in the box that came, I also showed this in a clip before, but you really couldn't see it. It just says about their information and the details of the hair. And I'm just friends with this little girl. Well, she ain't a little girl, but a girl with the wig on. So the details of the cap is, it is a closure, so it is on the sides. But it looks pretty natural. I did not add baby hairs, and this wig isn't even glued down, y'all. It ain't even glued down. Y'all see that? See, as y'all seen, the wig isn't even glued down. So the way I did that was I put my adjustable straps, like I crossed them over so it could be really tight on my head. So I say this wig is big hair friendly if I could cross over the adjustable straps and make it a glueless wig. So yeah. With shedding and tangling, I don't get any shedding and I don't get any tangles. So I always do a tangle and shedding test on camera. So no tangles, no shedding, nothing on this comb. Kind of messed up my curls, but it's to show y'all that this wig is actually some good hair. that's pretty much it for this review. The hair is good. I say it's perfect for the summer because it's short and you don't have to worry about sweating. Only thing is the cap is kind of bulky, but it's not something that's bad. But if you comb, you do hit the cap. But that's the only complaint about this wig. The hair is very beautiful. As you can see, it curls with ease. So yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, comment them down below and I will answer them. So yeah, bye guys.
I would wait for your boss. Don't be late, no, no, no.